Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode. I am your host Jitsuko Toshiro, bringing you live updates regarding the cryptocurrency markets. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. The way you do this is basically clicking or searching my link right here, Jitsuko Toshiro. And you click this link and it brings you to my YouTube channel. You click that subscribe button and you automatically enter a chance to win $100 in USDT. Today's video is going to be quick, hence why I'm not showing my face. So let's go ahead and dive in to the charts. As you can see here, we're having a sell-off on Bitcoin on the daily. There are a couple structures I told you guys to keep in mind during this time frame. And then that's going to be that bull flag I was mentioning that had a 50-50 chance of breaking to the upside. However, we had a lot of selling pressure for the past few days, and it seems like we're selling right now as we were making this video. Nothing really has changed other than if this daily closes below the support line, then we're expecting more lows. Would I long in this area? That is a big question of yes or no. I would take a chance because what I would say is logically you want to long support, and if you do, you might expect a bounce and then the sell-off will continue. Ideally in this type of market, especially a bear market like this that I haven't seen in a long time, is you want to basically just short everything you can get your hands on. And the reason being is because the trend is your friend. The trend has been downwards for the past year. And if you don't follow through with that, then you're playing against the big dogs. The big dogs will torch you. I told you guys to short here if you could get a chance at the 18.5. And I even gave you other examples of short setups. This one was a good short setup, and I was explaining that if we do get to this region, we do short it. Unfortunately, we didn't get there, and I don't think we will, so we have to sit on our hands and watch. Risk management is key in these situations. Let's take a look at Ethereum. And Ethereum's having a massive sell-off, and as you can see here, I was playing with the chart earlier today, and you can see that we had the same kind of trend line in Bitcoin as we do in Ethereum. We made this ascending wedge, almost a bull flag, and we broke through the structure. That is a very bearish reversal. We got close to the resistance that I was mentioning, and what I like to do, so I should have mentioned this to you guys earlier, but typically what I like to do is I like to short ranges. I actually don't like to short specific price. So what does that mean? That means that we have resistance here in this area, right? If you can reach this area, you enter a short. This is a $20 range on Ethereum. I can explain this more in my how to trade series, but basically you want to enter a region and then you want to set your stops above that region. And that's the ideal way to enter a trade. So you might be sitting negative for a bit, but the trend is your friend, so it would eventually work out. I hope that made sense. I can explain it in further videos. But that's basically what happened with Ethereum on today's time frame. We had a massive sell-off. BNB is the example trade I gave you guys, and now we are looking at its chart. As you can see here, I said that if we flip this 250 range, support now turned resistance back up to support, then I would say it's bullish structure. But until then, I have yet to be proven wrong. So, I mean, this was the perfect short setup that I gave you guys. Someone mentioned in their comments that they entered at 260, which I think is an excellent range to short. And these are the things that you have to just wait for. So we're getting some volatility finally this week, and we're getting some sell-offs. Hopefully it's not premature and we see the follow-through, but the trend is your friend. So even if we bounce off the sell-off, every high that we're getting is a lot lower. So BNB, if you're in this trade, you are in the money. Congratulations. I mentioned enter at 250, so you would actually be up about 3.5% today. And the target is around a 10 to 12% range. If you take profits today, there's nothing wrong with that, as long as you're taking your profits. Now let's take a look at the big dog, the DXY. The DXY will tell you everything else that's going on in the market. Right now we're seeing a sell-off, but we're seeing the DXY pump. This pump is a little bit different than the other pumps that we've seen, and it's because it's breaking out of a very bullish structure. We had a long, nice uptick in the structure for the past, 6 months to a year, and then we had this hard sell-off on the DXY. We had healthy consolidation, and this consolidation was a falling wedge pattern, and it eventually broke out. If we get a daily close above this resistance, then we're going to expect the DXY to move up at least in the mid to short term and reach these levels here, the 109. What does that mean for the rest of commodities? This means that we will be crushed in the meantime while it's going to retest this region. Whether it passes this test or not is a different question, but we're definitely probably going to retest 109. All the local all-time highs, probably not, but this is just something I thought I would mention, that we are breaking out of a bullish structure. That's pretty much it for today's updates. Like I said, if you want to enter a chance to win $100 in USDT, just click that like and subscribe button on my YouTube channel and you automatically enter. Right now I'm at 33 subscribers, but we're welcoming everyone that joins this community. So I would really appreciate it if you shared this with your loved ones and friends, especially if you find this information very helpful. I hope you guys have a good one. Have an excellent day and stay safe trading. Thank you.